Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're looking at the involute of a square. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of a triangle given the perimeter and its ratio of the sides. So we'll be starting with our square, the given square. We're going to go to line. We're going to turn on ortho and we're going to draw our square. All right. So the length of the square is 40 millimeters. Enter. Let us shift the drawing over so you can see. I'm going to zoom it up. All right, 40 millimeters. Then we're going to go up 40. Enter. Going to come across 40. So we're using ortho to get our perpendicular and vertical lines. We're going to come 40. Enter. All right. Now, if you was using the traditional instruments, you would use your t-square to get the horizontal line and a t-square and set-square to get the vertical lines. Press enter. All right, we're going to make the drawing a little bit smaller. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw perpendicular lines to the side, all right? So we're going to go line from this point coming out there, enter. We're going to draw another line from this point going out there, enter. We're going to draw another line coming this way, enter. We're going to draw another line coming from this side. All right, enter. All right, so the first point will be at A. So I'm going to go single line text. I'm going to turn off snap. And I'm going to select right here. You don't have to label it. So the height will be 4 millimeters. Enter. Sorry. So we're going to go single line text right here. The height would be 4. Enter. Rotational angle will be 0. Press enter. And this point would be A. All right. So from this point, the radius, the length of the sides are 40 millimeters. So what we're going to do, we're going to indicate the 40 millimeters. All right. So from linear, from the annotation ribbon, we're going to turn on object snap and we're going to indicate this 40 millimeters right here. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to type dim style. We're going to go to modify. I want to make the dimensions bigger so you can see it. So we're going to go to fit. I'm going to change this number to 2. I'm going to press OK. Going to press close here and it should be bigger. There it is, 40, right? So this is our square. All right. So the first point will be at A. Then what we're going to do, we're going to mark an arc, center start in from this point. We're going to mark an arc coming down there, right? Then, all right, I'm going to label the other corners of the square so you can follow along. I'm going to delete this A and I'm going to go again. Single line text. I'm going to choose here as, I'm going to make the height of the letter 6 millimeters. So go 6, enter. Rotational angle would be 0, enter. And the height here would be 6 as we said. So we're gonna go, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay? All right. You don't have to put the letters on it. It's just for you to follow where I put the letters on it. All right. So with at compass at B, radius A we marked an arc. All right. Compass at C, we're gonna go arc, center start end at C, radius B. I'm gonna mark an arc coming around. All right. So I'm gonna arc, center end, center at C, radius at this point, enter, enter. We're going to mark an arc coming around to there. All right, enter. I mean center at D, coming around this side. We're going to extend this line coming from D vertically, right? So we're going to extend. I'm going to click this line, enter. Okay. Radius from A, we're going to mark an arc from here coming around. All right. So we're going to go arc, center start and center at A, radius here, point, this point, enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to extend this line. So we're going to type extend, EX for the shortcut, click this line, and there is the involute for the square. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to go to our layer properties manager by clicking this icon. Then we're going to click this icon to make new. I'm going to make outline. And we're going to make the thickness, the line weight be 0.3 millimeters. Press OK. Close the properties, layer properties manager. When we click on this arc, so we click this, click this, click this, click this. We're going to put it on the outline there, and it should be darker now, okay? All right, so there, this is the involute of a square. What we're going to do is trim this part. Enter. What we're going to do, we're going to put the square also on the outline layer, okay? It is not normally drawn dark, but to let our drawing look fancy, we're going to darken it up, all right? The next thing we're going to do, we're going to label the drawing. So we're going to go multi-line text from the annotation ribbon. I'm going to select right here, all right? So we're going to type, we're going to make the height be 6, 2, construct a involute to a square. And for today's class, the sides of the square is equal to 40 millimeters. All right. All right. So good job if you followed along. We have completed today's video whereby we looked at the construction of an involute to the square. This word, this should be an. an involute to a square. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of an involute to a triangle. Can you guess what the solution for that drawing would look like? Join us in the next video and you'll see if your answer was correct, okay? We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the involute to a square. In the next video, we'll be drawing the normal and tangent to the involute that was drawn in today's video. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.